how to make $100 a day, step by step, selling naked put on Amazon before earning. So let's get started. I'm using Tasty Trade. If you don't have a Tasty Trade account, there's a link below. Why Tasty Trade? Because the buying power to sell one contract of Amazon will not have $20,000 buying power. You will need a lot less buying power to generate $100 a day. So we got Amazon right now. The price today $194, up 166. We got all those nice indicators, nice things, all this red line, green line, blue line, we're in the mid-range, all that. I don't care about any of that. I'm going to show you the most important and only indicator that I use to sell naked put options. I know it sounds scary. I'm going to show you how much it's more safer than Robinhood, where you need to tie up so much cash to just do the same trade and get the same amount of money. The most important indicator to me is this one, average true range, ATR. Average true range is the price that Amazon moved on average in the last 14 days. Okay, let me explain this again. We got this number here, 3.88. This is the amount, this is the price that Amazon moved on average every day in the last 14 days, sometimes more, sometimes less, but on average, let's call it $4 a day. So now it's 144. You see, they moved today 325. On average, they have moved 388 per day, up or down, doesn't matter, in the last 14 days. Why this number is so important when I sell naked puts on margin with a lot less buying power than Robinhood cash secure puts? Because if I know that Amazon is going to move $4 on average, and I know that they have earnings tomorrow, I want to sell the naked put, not 1 ATR, not 2 ATR, but 8. 8 times the expected move, so far out of the money that if two things will happen. If Amazon will not reach so far out of money, that $100 is mine to keep. Great. This will happen in around 90% of the cases, give or take. However, if Amazon does go 8 times the expected move to the downside and drop so much, yeah, I will either close the trade like an hour before the expiration, or I'll be happy to own 100 shares of Amazon, and only at that point in time, like an hour or two before the expiration, on expiration date at like 3 p.m., something like that, on expiration date, then I would need to shield $15,000-$20,000. We'll see the number. That's why I'm gonna put 8 and I'm gonna multiply it by this number. Remember again, 388. Start by 388. That's $31, 8 times the expected move that Amazon could do. And if they do it, if they drop $31, which is 8 times the expected move to the downside, yeah, I'll buy Amazon. How much is that? 193. I'm just gonna make round numbers, minus 31, 162. So this is the number in my head. Now I know that I can sell the naked puts around 160. If Amazon drops by expiration, most likely if it happens, gonna happen by earnings, which is tomorrow. But if they drop from 193 to 160, yeah, I'll be happy to put, I don't know, $16,000 and buy Amazon, minus the credit that I collected as a put seller. Yeah, would you if you are going to buy Amazon, would you buy it at 193, or would you collect $100 now and buy it at 160 if it goes to 160? What's the better deal? You tell me. So in order to execute this trade, you're gonna click here. We're gonna click on trade. Okay, and now we got all this open up for us. Tasty Trade is absolutely great, user-friendly platform. Again, link below. And if you want me to do like tutorials about Tasty, I'm trying to build this new account for me. Just comment the word Tasty at the the comment section below. I'm gonna go 51 days to expiration. Why? First of all, I don't like to trade weeklies. That's one. I just trade monthlies. And the second one, the closest monthly is 16 days away. I want to collect more premium, and the farther I go, the higher the premium, but I want like a balance. So usually I do like a month and a half to 2 months. That's exactly, if you watch Tasty Trade, they say around 45 days they take the trade. This is 51. This is a great trade. No, it's not a great trade until you close it. So I'm gonna click 51. And before we even take the trade, Tasty Trade has another great feature that shows you we are here, and the expected move in the next 51 days. It tells you that Amazon, according to the option market and market makers, Amazon is expected to move anywhere between 210 to like 175. This is the range. Of course, it can go up and down above that, but Amazon is expected to move between 175 and 210. Remember, we are selling naked puts 8 times the expected ATR. 8 times the ATR, which is crazy. But if it happens, great. I'll be happy to either assign 100 shares of Amazon at 160. So what are we doing? We're gonna go here, 170, we're gonna go to 160. And you see the put is right here, calls is on this side. We're gonna go to the puts. We're gonna click on this one between $100, 102. And we're gonna click here. Opens automatically. This, if you wanna buy, just so you know how to use Tasty, you just click on this and it changed to buy put, and click again, it changed to buy sell put. This is a buy put. This is a sell. Pretty simple, green and red. Okay, and now we got this one. I'm gonna show you the trade itself, and we are collecting. Okay, let's summarize the trade in a nutshell. We are selling the 160 put, which is 8 ATR expected move for Amazon 50 days from here for December 20. We are collecting upfront $100, $102. This money is yours today. Now look what makes Tasty Trade so much better than Robinhood for selling options, not for other stuff. For Yield Max, I use Robinhood, but for Tasty, for selling naked options, I use Tasty. Why? Because this number, BP affected, buying power that you need to put right now for this specific trade, $4,800. Do the same trade on Amazon, they will ask you for $16,000 up front minus your income, $15,900. Amazon wants you to put Robinhood wants you to put $16,000 on the line. Tastyworks wants you to put less than $5,000 on the line to collect the same $100. Which is better? You tell me. I prefer to do this and have a lot more buying power sitting just in case to do other stuff. You can do free. If you have the 15,000, you can do free of those, and you still less buying power, collect $300 with a lot less buying power than what Robinhood offers you. But let's focus on this trade. One contract put $4,800 in buying power instead of $16,000 on Robinhood. This is why I love Tasty Trade. Collect $100 today, and this is a great number. POP, probability of profit, right here. There's a 93% chance that Amazon will not go to 160 by expiration. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Collect that. That's $100 is yours. 93% chance that they will not do 8 times the expected ATR moves in the next month and a half, 50 days. P50, 95% chance that this option, this is probability of reaching 50% of max profit anytime before expiration. Look at this. That means 96% chance that this $100 will drop at least half, meaning you can close the trade for like $50 and call it a day before the option expire. 95% chance. Theta decay of $4 every day. This option will lose $4 in value. Remember, you are an option seller. you want the option to lose value, so this is a good number. And if you click on the quick analysis right here, you see that the max profit is $100. This is yours to keep as right now when you execute the trade. The price of Amazon is greater than 158.97. That's your break even. Your max profit is 103. And if Amazon goes below that number and go to zero, yeah, you could lose 16,000. But why should I put 16,000 right now as cash secured put like Robinhood when I can just put 5,000 and use the other money to other trades and collect more income selling naked puts? This is the beauty of Tasty Trade. You got 93% pop. Again, the most important number is this one, buying power 4,800. Subscribe. Let's grow this channel. I'll see you next time.